T11g wants you to do a search, and this video shows you how to the steps how to complete this search. And this is the standard procedure for you to complete a search on assets. Usually 9 steps. And the orange ones are the ones that can easily make mistakes. A lot of students make mistakes in here, so I turn it to orange. So if you have not written this down, I suggest you to pause this video and write down these standard procedures for completing searches on assets. Now I continue. This is the question, and you need to make a list of report of all the cars in stock and not made by Ford. So let's start. Now we have, this is the database here with all the information including Ford, but the manager wants a report, a list that shows all cars except Ford. So let's start. The standard procedure is, first step is most important, create. Once you come in here, you come here, query wizard, simple query wizard, and say OK. So now, because it's for the manager, you click here, available fields. That means information that's available on the database. This part corresponds with this part. Selected field is the field or the items you want to show in your report or in your printout. So in this case, for the manager, he wants to know everything except the manufacturer part. You have to do a little bit of defining. So you go to next and then next again. So T11g, and this is my search. Now this heading is going to be shown in the header area of your printout. So keep that in mind when you design the heading name like this. T11g RL, so it's all but Ford. So this is the heading I give it, and then you say to modify and then finish. And in here you have to specify which model of cars you want to show in your report under criteria and cars. All the rest, the price, colors and models will be the same with no change. And the text means in your report you want to show this item of informations like these ones. Okay, so now only here the manufacturers you pick and choose, all but Ford. So you put in here what criteria you should put in there. You should put in just no Ford. Okay, so this is done. You come home. This is the second last step. You come to the view. Now there were different kinds of views. This one is the database view. This is the kitchen where cooks are working, and it's a busy, messy area. You don't want to show other people. Now you have done the cooking. Behind the scene, you go to design view. This is the dining area. So let's click. Let's choose again view, go to, so now bingo, everything's done. This is what you This is what you will get after it's printed out. Okay, so look at that. You got all the cars here except Ford, and we got the information about them. So now you can print this out. This name, if you push here and print, you will get the file on the paper. This will be on the footer area. Okay, this is the end of the recording for task 1114G, and we have just completed these standard procedures of searching. Please write down these steps. It applies to most of the searches.